go! Finally! Woo! There we go, folks. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Blaze and Bait. We spent an hour out there at Ant Rim. Got a few bites, but that was about it. So we're out here at the little park. Hopefully we can do better out here. We'll give it a shot, see what we can do. So if you guys are looking for some really unique and original, all custom designed tees, anything from your fishing, patriotic, Christian based, and just funny t-shirts like this, all designed by me or my wife, come check it out at lumenpath.net. And thank you very much, guys, for all your support. Yep, out here with Brad. Hello, Brad.
Hello, Brad.
There it is. On this one, I'll try it out with the worms and see if we can catch us a bluegill or something. Let's give this a try. With my neon green worms. There we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm using only a size 6 hook. There we go. The moment that I threw out the worm, something's already on it. There we go. Small, little, tiny bluegill. About a 5-inch blue. First one of the day, though. At least we're catching something. That's the way I always see it. Oop, so there it is, folks. There it is. There it is. Yeah, a little bit bigger. This guy's about 6 inches. Not too shabby. Again, at least we're catching something. And so far, that's all that I've been catching out here. Is just a bunch of bluegills. Except that one crappie. That was about it. Well, folks, here we are back at Center Green Park. Hopefully we can do better out here than the little park. Caught us only a few bluegills. Yep, give it a shot with the minnows again. Hopefully we can catch us a bass, a crappie, something besides bluegills. Give it a shot out here. Hopefully we can do better out here. There we go. Yes! Yeah! Woo! There we go, folks. Finally. Not a bad size. Probably about a 1/4 pounder. Still, I'm happy. Caught ourselves a bass, folks. There we go, folks. Not too shabby. About a 1/4 pound. About maybe a 10 or 11-inch bass. Not too shabby. Okay, let's let this guy go here. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Blaze and Bait. Out here at Homestead Park, and there's a creeper coming up. Yeah, Brad. Remember him? Anyway, we'll give it a shot out here, see what we can do. Talk to you later. Let's see if we can catch anything on the live bait, then we'll try using some other things. Of course, the setup that I have is the usual. Size 6 hook, 1 split shot, and a small flip bobber. We'll give it a shot out here, see if we have any luck. Brad caught himself his first bass on a lure, so that's cool. Almost. I thought you said you caught it.
I caught it, but it fell off the hook.
Oh. Yeah, you still almost caught it. Give it a shot with worms And see if we can catch us a couple bluegills or something. Just start things off. Yep, let's give it a shot again with the green worms here. There we are. There we go. A little tiny, about a 5-inch bluegill. There we go, folks. And there we go again. There we go. Oh, caught me a bass. Smallest one I caught so far. Check out this little tiny guy. Probably only about 8-inch bass. There we go. At least we're not catching just bluegills. Yep, here we are back at the Upground Reservoir, folks. Hopefully we can catch us a catfish today. I'm surprised. By this time last year, I already caught me 6. This year, none so far. So the setup that I'll be using, of course, I'll be using the dropper rig. I have my 1/2 ounce bank sinker tied to probably the smallest hook that I'll be trying. This is only a size 1 octopus hook. Not a 1/0, just a 1. Be using me the automatic fishing pole holder. Good investment to have. Picked it up for only $15 on Amazon. And especially if you're planning to fish with more than one pole at the same time, it's definitely useful. Because you won't believe on how many times I end up missing it because I was on the other pole and something was on this one. You simply need to drive it right into the ground like this. Then grab on the holder, press down on it until it catches on that latch, buckle it in, and that's all it is, folks. The bait that I'll be using for this one, I'll be going back with the original. This is the original bait that I first tried catfishing with. This one is actually Jello garlic chicken gizzard. And the nice thing about chicken gizzard, it actually stays on the hook a lot better than if you use chicken liver. There we are. There we go. And once you cast it out, you want to reel in all that slack. There. Make sure your line is at the bottom. Slide it in into the holder. Then pull the line over the trigger, and that's all it is. Whoa! There we go, folks. Yes! Whoa! Finally! Woo! Wow! Whoa! Oh man, put a good fight, folks. Our first catfish of the year. Look at him. I'm happy. First. Whoa! Woo! Very nice. There we go, folks. Look at that. That is a nice looking catfish. I say probably easily about a couple pounds maybe. Whoa, easy. Look at this guy, folks. About a pound and a half, 2 pounds maybe. Not too shabby. I'm happy. Took us only an hour to finally catch one, but we finally caught one on the chicken. Yep, back out here at the little park. Figured since we finally caught us a catfish at the upground reservoir, hopefully we can catch one out here. Surprisingly, it's been slow out here. The only things I caught so far are just a bunch of bluegills mainly and one crappie. Let's give this a try here. There we go. It's not a catfish or a bass, just some more bluegills. This one, probably about a 5-inch bluegill. Oh, just for a time being, I can always try the one bait or the one lure that I had luck with. Let's try it out with some Berkley Gulp Minnows. Be using a 2-inch Gulp minnows, so we'll give it a shot. Just want to hook it right down the middle, and there it is. Whoa, whoa, there we go. I didn't even realize I had a fish. There we go, folks. Caught me a crappie on the Gulp minnow. I didn't even realize there was anything on it. Small guy. Still, it's about 7 inches, 8 inches maybe. There we go, folks. Small crappie. I didn't even realize there was anything on it. Okay, folks, we've been out here for about an hour and a half. Caught us a couple bluegills, one crappie. No catfish though, but we didn't do too bad. 3 days worth of fishing. Caught us quite a few bluegills, 2 bass, and 1 crappie, 1 catfish. So I'll be taking off. If you guys like this video, please smash that like and leave your comments down below, folks. Be sure to subscribe for some more fishing, knives, and kit videos. I'll be taking off. You guys take care. Talk to you later.